Imagine this. You leave for work tomorrow morning, just like any other day. But what if by some twist of fate you never come home? Who will take care of your family? How long will they survive financially? It's a scary thought, right? But it's a reality that many people avoid thinking about. Most of us are so focused on earning, paying bills, and building our lives that we don't stop to ask ourselves the tough questions. Questions like, if I were gone tomorrow, would my family be okay? You see, life is unpredictable. Accidents happen, illnesses strike, and when the unexpected comes knocking, families without a financial safety net often struggle more than they ever imagined. That's where life insurance comes in. But not just any life insurance. We're talking about something that can secure your family's future, cover debts, and even grow your money over time. Something called infinite banking. Understanding the problem. Let's break this down. Most families live paycheck to paycheck. You earn money, you pay your bills, and maybe you save a little. But if you suddenly weren't there, your family might still have bills to pay. Mortgage, rent, groceries, school fees, medical expenses, and all the little things that keep life running smoothly. Even if you have some savings, most people underestimate how long their money would actually last. Imagine this. Your family has $50,000 saved. Sounds like a lot, right? But if your monthly expenses are $3,000, that money only lasts about 16 months. And what if there's an unexpected emergency? That safety net disappears even faster. Now imagine a situation where your children's education, your spouse's retirement, or the family home are at risk. These are the things that matter most, and without a plan, they can all vanish quickly. Life insurance, the safety net. This is why life insurance exists. It's not about being morbid or expecting the worst. It's about being responsible. Life insurance is a safety net that steps in when you can't. It replaces your income, pays off debts, and ensures your family can maintain their lifestyle, even if you're gone. There are different types of life insurance, but the kind that can also act as a tool for growing wealth is called whole life insurance. Unlike term insurance, which only provides protection for a certain period, whole life insurance builds cash value over time. That means it's not just a safety net, it's also an investment. This is where infinite banking comes in. Think of infinite banking like creating your own personal bank. You pay into your life insurance policy, and over time, you can borrow from it for things like buying a car, starting a business, or even funding your child's education. And the best part? You're paying yourself back with interest, not a bank. Infinite banking. Explain. Here's how it works in simple terms. Every time you pay your life insurance premium, a portion of it grows in cash value. This cash value is yours. You can borrow against it whenever you want. Unlike a regular loan from a bank, there's no credit check, and you control the repayment. It's like turning your life insurance into a flexible, tax-advantaged financial tool. Your money keeps growing, even while you borrow from it. And when you pass away, your family receives the death benefit, the money they need to survive, without dipping into your cash value. This strategy does more than protect your family. It grows your wealth. You're not just leaving your family a payout when you're gone. You're giving them access to money that can help them thrive, even if you're not there to guide them. The emotional impact. Think about it. Your family could continue living the life you built for them. Your children could go to college. Your spouse wouldn't have to worry about paying the bills. Your home wouldn't be at risk. Without life insurance and an infinite banking strategy, even a loving family can face financial stress after losing a loved one. And stress can tear families apart. It can force difficult decisions, like selling a home, changing schools, or giving up dreams that you worked so hard to make possible. With the right plan in place, your family can be protected. They can continue their life with stability, security, and peace of mind. Breaking down the numbers. Let's put this into perspective with an example. Imagine you earn $5,000 a month. Your family's expenses are $4,000. That leaves $1,000 for savings. If something happened to you tomorrow, your family would immediately face a shortfall of $4,000 per month. Your savings alone would only last a few months. Now let's say you have a life insurance policy with a death benefit of $500,000. That's over 10 years of your family's current expenses, giving them time to adjust, invest, and maintain stability. And if you implement infinite banking, a portion of your life insurance also grows cash value over time. That means you're not just protecting your family, you're creating a financial legacy that can help them for decades to come. Common misconceptions. Many people think, I'm young, I don't need life insurance yet. Or, I already have savings, that's enough. But the truth is, life is unpredictable. The earlier you start, the smaller the premiums and the bigger the impact. Others say, life insurance is too expensive. But think about this. Can you really put a price on your family's security? For a modest monthly premium, you can secure a future that your savings alone might never fully protect. Infinite banking might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple when broken down. It's just a way of making your money work harder for you, while protecting your family at the same time. Why it matters now. Life insurance isn't just about money. It's about love, responsibility, and planning for the future. It's about answering the question, if I'm gone tomorrow, how long can my family survive? With confidence instead of fear. Starting early gives you more control. You'll pay less in premiums, your cash value grows faster, and your family can enjoy financial stability no matter what life throws at them. The takeaway. Here's the truth. You can't predict tomorrow. Accidents happen, illnesses strike, and life doesn't always go according to plan. But you can prepare. Life insurance and infinite banking aren't just financial tools. They're acts of love. They're ways of saying, I will take care of my family, even when I can't be there. When you plan wisely, you leave behind more than money. You leave security, opportunity, and peace of mind. Now, I hope this video has helped you understand the importance of insurance and how it can protect your wealth. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more finance tips. And if you have any questions or need help with your own insurance strategy, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Protecting wealth is something everyone should be thinking about, and the more people who understand this, the better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.